Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you about how to install forward facing car child seat in a right way. This forward facing car child seat is suitable for the kids aged from 3 to 7 years. This car child seat has 5 different shoulder levels. You can place the shoulder belt based on height of your child after placing your child in the car seat, so you can adjust that. I have placed at level 4. You can see that in the video. Now I'm going to show you how to fix the car child seat in a right way. So I'm going to place this car child seat on top of that black mat. So this is the safe grip belt clamp. This has an important role that I'm going to show you in this video at later stage. So this is another hook, so that has a belt as well. So you need to pull that belt from the top side, not from the bottom side. It is locked from the bottom side, only it works on the top. So you can see that how you can pull that. What you need to do is you need to lift that clamp to upside and then you can pull it so that you can loosen it. Place the child seat on top of the car seat as I have shown in the video. Buckle the car seat belt to the car seat as I have shown in the video, and this has another step. I will show you that a little later. Now go to other side and clamp the car seat as I have shown in the video. So just tight it. Make sure that it is not shaking. Just follow the video. This is the back side hook that I'm going to show you how to hook it from the back. Just go to the back side and there is a hook. Lock that hook to back side of the car seat as I have shown in the video, and just pull that belt from the top and make it very tight. Just I am showing it in the video. Pull it down. Pull the belt down and make sure that car child seat is not shaking. The next step is very important. Now we have to put the safe grip belt clamp to the car seat belt. So if you see my video, you can understand that very clearly. So that is the place where I need to keep my safe grip clamp. After locking the clamp, top side of the belt can move, but bottom side of the belt is fixed. Once the measurements are done, you can go to other side of the car child seat and fix that to the hook. Follow the video to understand better. Just lock it. Fixing of safe grip belt clamp is the most important step of this process. So please follow the video to understand better. Only the top side of the belt can move, but bottom side of the belt should be fixed. So you can see only the top side is moving, the bottom side is fixed. So this is the reference. You can see very clearly safe grip belt clamp is fixed. Only the top part of the belt is moving, the bottom part is fixed, and car child seat is very tight. It should not shake. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with others. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you again in the next video.